What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and welcome to another exciting knife unboxing with YouTube's greatest and most efficient knife unboxer. Metal Complex uses the combination of speed, precision, and quality craftsmanship with his select tools to bring you basically the ultimate in entertainment and knife unboxing. All right, enough of that joke. Let's get past the tactical peanuts and reveal that we have a Benchmade mini Valaton. It says right there on the front. I always look for opportunities to bring about more theatrics, but Benchmade has slightly ruined it today by printing the name of the knife right on the box. That's okay. Let's just get into it. That's what you guys want to see, right? Is the knife. Pretty cool right off the bat. Pretty chunky little knife, but sometimes I kind of like that, you know? Oh my gosh. Hold on a sec. Is it assisted? Yeah, it's assisted. I was like, wow, holy cow. Actually, you know, I kind of like that. I don't generally go for assisted knives, but that's kind of nice. The last time I handled an assisted Benchmade or an assisted axis lock knife was my Barrage, and then I had an M390 Barrage as well. So we have an aluminum handle. Looks to be steel liners underneath the aluminum plates. Is that a safety? I bet it is. It's a lockout. So you've got something that keeps the axis lock from basically allowing the blade to disengage. We've got S30V in a nice harpoon drop point style blade. You have a deep carry kind of tumbled Benchmade pocket clip. You know, despite it being kind of a chunky knife and it having the word mini in the title, it doesn't really feel all that small. I'm kind of intrigued by this. This is an interesting knife. I will say that we have solid lockup. We also have perfect centering. So looking pretty good there, Benchmade. Intriguing knife. This is something I'm excited to talk about. Pretty cool. That's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.